So after being rejected from the JCF and Correctional Services, our next guest actually found his true calling by creating his own foundation. Joining us this morning is the founder of Make the Heart Smile Foundation, Dwayne McCallum. Good morning. Thank you for being here with us. You are otherwise known as Romario Heart.
Yes.
Is that what they call you?
Yes, that's my social media name.
That's your social media name. Yeah. And the heart is for?
From the foundation, Make the Heart Smile Foundation. Yes.
All right. So let's talk before we get to the foundation about the journey to the foundation. But you studied at Hart?
Yes.
Yeah.
Art College of Beauty Services. Yeah, that's where I did my level 3 in barbering.
Level 3.
Yeah.
And you had known always that this is what you wanted to do?
Barbering.
Okay. So how did JCF and the Correctional Services part drop in?
Okay. At that time, I always wanted to serve my country so badly.
This was before or after barbering school?
After, yeah, after.
After?
Yeah. So my mother can even attest to that. I tried for the JDF, but I did not get any call. And then I moved on to the JCF. Same thing. So my last option was like the correctional service. So I tried that. And they say like I have a tattoo on my foot. So they...
Wait, what?
A tattoo.
So you can't serve in the correctional forces and have a tattoo?
That's what they said.
On your foot?
Yes, on
like
my leg.
where? On your knee?
Right on my... Right here.
They
said
they don't
no.
wear pants? Correct?
That's what they wear. But they reject me because of that. So I didn't make that really determined though. So I still go out and serve my country in a different way by giving free haircut to students and feeding the homeless.
So when you buck up in JCF and it never work and Correctional Services never work, JDF never work, did you feel deflated? Did you feel like you wanted to give up?
Yes, yeah. Because I was saying, what's the next step after this? But I still try though, I never give up. And so I move on and go to EXED, college. That's where I studied social work. But I did not finish.
You didn't finish?
No, I did
How
not
come?
Finish. My son did drop into play at that time. So he was supposed to go to school, same time my tuition was supposed to pay. So I put my education on pause and start his. Yeah, because they know that the starting of his education, so I could not really.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So you have social work on the back burner. Is it something you plan to go and finish?
Yes, surely.
Yeah.
I'm trying to finish it January.
Good, good.
Hopefully.
Right. So your heart was always really in service.
Yes,
because social work is about service.
Right.
And so you ended up becoming a barber, right?
Yes, yeah.
Tell me now why you decided to start the foundation.
Yes, as I said before, the foundation was something that I always wanted to do because I always want to serve and give back. So a year before, that's like 2020, I was going to give back out on the street, but someone said the business was supposed to register, supposed to have some paperwork. So I said, okay, I'm going to register it then. So I go to New Kingston and
Company's office?
of Jamaica and register it.
So Make the Heart Smile is the business?
Yes.
Okay.
Make the Heart Smile Foundation.
Okay. And how do you go about now giving the haircuts? You just choose a community? How does it work?
No, like every Tuesdays, I go out in the street, go to high school. Like a random high school, I just pick a random high school and say, I'm going to do this. Like, so for instance, I will go to KC today and just go there. But at first, I was like trying like every school, like primary school and so forth. But the primary school principal always saying are supposed to get consent
from the parents.
But high school now, you know, them are big youth and things, so they're not really getting a consent form.
So those guys are look, gentlemen and their barbers are. I don't touch that relationship with a 10-foot pole because one of the worst than we are with hairdresser. So those guys just allow you to cut their hair?
Actually, I actually convinced them
and
show them like some of my haircuts I do at the shop, and they say, okay, I'm gonna do it then. So that's how.
So you do this every Tuesday?
Every single Tuesday.
Every Tuesday you go into a high school and cut?
Every single Tuesday. That's just a discipline I have. You just go out and
just in Kingston, or you've been out?
No, I've been to many parishes. Yes, so but my goal is to like go to every parish and go to as many schools as possible I can.
Yeah.
And give free haircuts.
Excellent, excellent. Wow. And so how does it make you feel to be able to not serve in the way you had initially hoped, but in this way? Is it still as fulfilling?
Yes, yes, definitely. Because I'm still helping my country. Yes, so I feel good the same way.
And what is your hope after the social work certification is completed?
Actually, my goal is to open a community center, so I can get kids to do their homework and teach them to cut who want to do barbering, cut hair, and yes, make them be somewhere safe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you have a space like that when you were growing up? Trying to figure out why this is so heavy on your heart.
No, not really.
Did you need it? Did you need a space like that when you were growing up?
Yes, actually, I grew up with my mom only. Yeah.
Gotcha.
So, yeah.
Okay. What if there's somebody watching from a school or an organization that wants you to come and help them with hair cutting for their boys?
Yes, they can reach out to me.
Where do we reach out to you?
On Instagram,
What's your handle?
TikTok, YouTube.
At Romario Hart?
At Romario Hart.
At Romario Hart.
Two word.
Excellent. Thank you, young man, for what you're doing for other young men. We appreciate that. Founder of Make the Heart Smile Foundation, Dwayne McCallum, here with us this morning. Coming up, how do you stop fighting losing battles? That's our Girl Talk segment, and it's next.